Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to build this outdoor coffee table. You can see the cut list on the screen. Pause the video if you need more time to read it. You will also see all the measurements and the full assembly process in this video. This is a simple project. The only tool that may be new for beginners is a pocket hole jig. The table is built from standard lumber you can buy at any hardware store. You'll also need wood screws.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Don't forget to check the pinned comment. There you'll find a link to the PDF plans and the 3D SketchUp model. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with others. See you in the next one.